Independent agents are everywhere.
You can find an independent agent right here on this website.
We're not just an online company that has no idea where your town is located.
We're there, we're easy to find, even in the phone book.
We're at T-ball, we're at swim meets, we're at the chamber.
You may already know an independent agent or live close to one.
And another good source is to talk to your trusted friends and relatives and find out who they're using.
We're in the community where you are.
You can find us any way, we're there for you.
I don't think there's anything wrong with buying insurance on price.
We're all consumers first, and price does make a difference.
The cheapest insurance typically doesn't mean the best insurance.
There's thousands of insurance companies in this country. There's always going to be somebody cheaper.
However, when you're in an accident, your question is not how much I paid, your question is, am I covered?
I think that you should sit down with your agent and make sure that not only are you getting the best price, but that you're getting the coverage that you actually need.
Well, I think generally it's best if you can consolidate all of your policies with one company through one agent. It just simplifies your life.
I always recommend trying to stay with one company. The biggest reason is the discount factor. The more lines of insurance you have with one company, the bigger the discounts.
Using one insurer is best when it works for you, but if it doesn't, it's okay. The nice thing about being an independent agent is that we have the opportunity to have different companies that we represent. If it's best for you to have your auto policies here with one company and best to have your home insurance here, then it's the best thing for you.
And while most carriers do provide discounts for bundling multiple lines, they may not be able to handle everything if you have an antique auto or a rental dwelling, and independent agents can take care of all those needs for you.
The role of an independent agent really is to be a trusted advisor to you, just like any other advisor.
An independent agent is just that.
They're independent for a reason. They're not married to any company. They're there to work for you.
I am very passionate about being an independent agent. I think that we have an advantage. We do not work with one company.
We do so to be able to find the best coverage at the best rate.
We don't work for any one particular insurance company. We work for you, the client.
That's the cool part about being an independent agent, I think. Thoughtful coverage is taking an individual client and assessing their needs.
Making certain we understand who you are and what's most important to you.
When you're dealing with an independent agent, you're dealing with people who live in the community.
Making sure that we have the right coverage so that when they actually have to use their insurance, they are covered correctly and are taken care of.
So thoughtful coverage is more than just insurance. It's all about you. Well, the type of questions that an independent agent will ask are very straightforward. It's just like having a conversation. We do want to know some personal information, birth dates, driver's license, and those things.
If you can bring copies of your current insurance policy, that answers a lot of the questions they'll have, and it makes the process really easy.
It's always a good idea to bring in your current coverage. That way you're comparing apples to apples.
The other parts is just don't be shy. Give us the information that we need to be able to find the right coverage for your needs. Things like on your home, do you have a fence? What kind of dogs do you have? Do you have animals, horses? Do you have on your cars, do you have teenagers coming up? What kind of cars do you drive? Those are just some of the basic questions we're going to ask you. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, our experience with Mutual of Enumclaw has been fantastic over the time frame that we've represented them.
I'm just confident in the company.
That's the beauty of Mutual of Enumclaw. They fly under the radar a little bit, right? So they're not this big faceless corporation.
Their adjusters are community members. They have a vested interest in their community.
Mutual of Enumclaw has the capability to act like a big insurance company, but they retain the relationships and really act small and can be there during the claim when it's most important.
Well, the best time to be able to call an independent agent is really now.
When things change in your life, when you get married, have children, move.
Whenever you have anything of value that you need protected.
They're going to be able to give you a fresh look and really compare what you currently have versus what you need.
All these changes affect your insurance coverage, and an independent agent can help you understand that.
This is when you're able to really review your needs and get an impartial look and be able to find the best rate for you.
Buying insurance online can be a lot of work. It can be a lot of research.
Most people that come in to see us, they've shopped insurance online. They've got quotes online. But what they want to know that they can be able to call, see me at the grocery store. They want to be able to know that they can yell at me. They want to be able to know that they can come and see me when they have a problem.
There's never a bad time to speak with an independent agent.
Because your insurance may not be covering everything.
Do you need additional things? Do you have the best rate? Do you have all of the discounts that your family deserves?
Especially if you've got big life events coming up, so purchasing a home or getting married.
By talking to an independent agent now, they can qualify those things and find the best rate for the best coverage.
If you call a captive agent or 800 number, they only have one product that they can try and fit you into. We take your situation and try and go out and find the best fit for you.